Hello friends and welcome to my channel Codecraft Shop. My name is Sailesh Kushwaha and in this tutorial we will learn how to create an online account for OpenShift. The OpenShift account will be created on Red Hat website. Through this website we will get a free subscription for OpenShift on cloud for 60 days. So I have provided the link in the URL and I will also put this link into the YouTube description box. So once we subscribe to this account, then our plan will be for 60 days only. So let me quickly show you how we can register. We need to go to a website openshift.com/products/online. Then there you will find an option for OpenShift online plans and pricing. Under this section you will get an option starter plan, and inside that you will have an option of a button sign up for free. So click on this button. So here you can sign up from this link, and then you will get an option. You have the option to create account manually, or you can sign it with the social media platforms like Google, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, GitHub, and uh, Microsoft Windows account. So these are the options available, but I have created one manually, so we need to click on create a new one. So we have to enter all the details, like the Red Hat login ID means the account with which we wanted to log in. So I have named it as Codecraft Shop, and then I have entered my email address and all the details. After entering these details, I have selected this option and then clicked on next. So it will create your account, and an activation link will be sent to your email box. So once you click on that, your account will be active. So you can log into your account using this URL. It is the same URL which you get from when you click on the sign up free form. So here I am logging it with the, since I already have the Red Hat account, so I'm logging with that credentials which I have created earlier. So this is the my username, and I have entered my password, so I am logging with those credentials. So if you can see once your free account will be created, an OpenShift cluster will be created for you, and then it will be activated only for 60 days. So click on open web console in order to see your cluster. So it will redirect you to the Red Hat login page, uh, and then it will, so this is the OpenShift account that we have created, and we can create a single project through which we can test all the functionalities. So this is the account. We will get various options, like we have the developer mode and we have the administrator mode. This is the new, these are the new features in OpenShift 4. We have both administrator and the developer mode at the same place, so that we do not need to log in again and again with the admin credentials and the developer credentials. So here we will create our project, so which I will show you in the next uh, tutorials. So the scope of this tutorial is to let you know how we can create an free OpenShift online account, so that we can test our fundamentals of OpenShift. So this is all about demo. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like the video, like the channel on YouTube, and you can also follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter at the handle codecraft shop. Thank you guys.